Alright, what is x plus 2y equals 10 in slope-intercept form? Okay, so for those of you who oftentimes forget the names of the forms, such as slope-intercept, this is the way to remember it. Okay, slope and intercept. What's the only equation that you know of for a line that involves slope and intercept? Okay, well that's y equals mx plus b. Because remember that the m is the slope and the b is the y-intercept. Alright. So what is x plus 2y equals 10 in slope-intercept form? Well, the unique thing about the slope-intercept form is that y is always by itself on one side of its equal sign. There's no number in front of it or anything like that. So we just need to get x plus 2y equals 10 into a y by itself form. Now, at this point, I could, since I want to get rid of that 2 in front of the y, I could divide by 2 on both sides, but when you have to distribute whenever you have to divide, you have to distribute it, and it's easier to not have to deal with that until the end. So instead, I'm going to get rid of this x. And the x is just with the 2y being added to it, so we can subtract. Okay, now according to slope-intercept form, you always put the x term first. So when we rewrite this as 2y equals, we're going to want to do negative x plus 10 instead of 10 minus x. It means the same thing. Alright, now we can deal with getting rid of this 2. So we're going to divide by 2 on both sides. So that it's just 1y, which is the same as y by itself, equals. Right, we have a negative x, which is the same as negative 1x, divided by 2, because remember you have to distribute division. So that's negative 1/2 x, or we can say negative 0.5x, and then plus 10 divided by 2, which is 5. And there we go. Negative 1/2 x plus 5. Now remember, one thing that you could always do to make sure that it's accurate is to plug in a value for x and y and see if it matches here, if it matches here and here. However, what you'll notice is that these other forms are all forms of the same equation, so it looks like they would all fit if you chose a value for x and y. So the point here is to know that slope-intercept form is the y equals mx plus b form.